There's been a lot of talk this week about these new slider banners. And since I actually was one of the first, I guess, to get this option, I thought I would do a little video about it and show you how it works. So here it is. You can see that the banner is working. And I'm going to show you how to the back end. So when you click on edit, you will see cover images, and that's how you know that you have it. You can see the, you can duplicate if you want to duplicate the banner, or you can just take that one out. You can move them back and forth, and you can also add more. I wanted to give my banner a more cohesive look, so I decided to change the additional banner. You can have up to 5. And I'm going to go into my LinkedIn banners. This is the one that I just created recently for the holidays, and this is the one that I am going to add to give this a more cohesive look. So now I have this first one and the second one. And then, although I'm going to move this to the end, and I'll keep this one now just to show you how it looks. So before I move on, I just want to show you the edit. You can go in and you can put filters on, or you can adjust it, make it brighter, crop your banners in the editing function that's now available with the banners. So I'm going to save these. And let's see how this new layout looks. So now, instead of that kind of disjointed look, we're seeing the 2 banners that I designed to promote my book over the holidays. And then I've left the final banner at the end that talks about my business. So again, I just wanted to give you a quick look at the new slider banner. I was not notified that I had this option. I saw somebody talking about it, and when I clicked on the pencil to look at my banners, I found that I did have it. So you might want to check it out and see if you have it yet yourself.